Hey, what's up everybody? John Highley here with the Tactical Dent Tech Group. I got my hands on this Hawk 2.0 light that we're going to be giving away on the glue pulling contest that is happening right now until Tuesday in this group. So I've never had this light in my possession. It got shipped over to me by DB Dent Tools over in Italy. And the gentleman wanted to, really cool guy, got on the phone with them, actually talked to him for a little while. There was a little bit of a language barrier there, but we got through a very nice conversation. And he shipped me out not only this light, but he also shipped me out some Hawk glue tabs. And also, I don't know what the name of it is, but he gave me this personally, this blending hammer that I'm really going to dig deeper into. It's called the DB Dent Tool 130 gram blending hammer. The thing feels really, really nice. He actually gave me a video on how he heat treated these, and it was quite incredible the way that they quenched in a particular type of oil. So some pretty cool stuff here that I'm going to be talking about in the future. But as of right now, in the giveaway, we are going to have this Hawk light that is very thin. So the thing that struck me right when it arrived at my door is that there's no way there's a light in this package. So I looked at the package and I'm like, all right, well, it kind of looks like a light package, but did they forget to put the light? Did they break the light? Did something happen? But no, it's just how thin this light is. So it's very thin and very light, but what you have here is an aluminum backing that has a carbon fiber print on it that is incredibly strong. And looking at this, it's a very high quality light, very high quality build. Has a simple plug in here, and I went ahead and mounted the Never Loose onto it. It's got a direct mount. You just pull off the backing plate, and then you can literally just mount the Never Loose right up to it. It's a very interesting light because it's got some different colors, and I'm going to show you. It's going to kind of blow out the whole scene here, but I do want to show you kind of the play on the colors, and then we'll go over here. I've got my truck pulled in here right now so we can actually see a little bit of the fade and how that looks. So we'll do a little bit of all that. Also, the second place winner, so this is the first place for the glue pulling competition. Guys, y'all are going to love getting this light. All I can tell you is it's super light. This is like a quick setup, very quick setup. Almost reminds you of the old school original, is it Bill Hewitt who had the Fatties? Very, very light, but this is not plastic. This is actually an aluminum backing. I don't know if you can see that, incredibly thin, very thin. And I already took a look at the fog. The fog looks great, but we'll take a look at that here in a minute. Also got these right here, which are the Hawk tabs. And from my understanding, what the DB Dent Tools tells me is that these things pull really, really hard. So for second place, somebody's going to be getting 4 packs of these Hawk tabs. So that's awesome. Awesome. All right, so let me go ahead and turn it on for you. So right there is my 3 favorite colors. I am a big fan of this this nice. They used to call this kitchen and bath color. So there was, bright white, and there's kitchen and bath. But you can quickly switch this out to, you can see you can add a white to it, a white light to it. And then you can actually click it one more time, and you can go full on a Credible Hawk style with it and make it completely. You got to kind of toggle through them, but you can make it completely green. I'm very interested in fixing a dent with this because I'm so used to the kitchen and bath stuff that that color, that I really like that. So I'm going to dim this out a little bit. You can see it's starting to dim a little bit, and then you can also use this button up here to actually go ahead and brighten it up. That being said, guys, we'll go over and we'll take a look at the actual fog on the vehicle. This is a shot of some dents on my door. As many of you know, I've got a hail damaged car, and I've actually got to fix it here soon because it's getting ready to have the logos put on it. So you can kind of see the fade going on in that with the green. All right, I'm going to go ahead and change the color. Come back here to the back. Let's let that go in. We'll go. And we'll go to my favorite color. This is nice, guys. It's a very, very nice light. One of y'all who are going to win this in the glue pulling competition, you're really going to love this thing. So that being said, my friends, the light looks good, the fog looks good. There's no weight to this thing at all, so it is going to be an incredible light to really move fast and be able to position it quickly and never have to worry about the base of your light stand getting wobbly or anything like that. So I know that anybody who wins this in the giveaway over this week, we're going to be giving away from Black Friday, which I believe is the 29th, all the way till Tuesday the 3rd. So if you have any kind of glue pulling before and after, if you can put a little bit of the process and add some of the tabs that you use, things like that, I think that you're going to have a better chance of winning. But this right here is the #1 prize that's going to be given away over this Tactical Dent Tech GPDR contest giveaway. And the second place winner is going to be winning the glue tabs. So that being said, my friends, I appreciate you for coming along. And as usual, I'll see you on the next one.